If you are a content creator, you need this sexy YouTube Trend Detector. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build that. Now this is divided into two parts. Part 1 is the content flow and the second is the daily digest. Content flow analyzes your competitor's channel and fetch all the data into a sheet. And what does the daily digest do? It fetches the data, it filters out all the non-trending videos and give you the best of your competitors and send you an email just like this. For now I have put Mr. Beast video. You can put anyone on your list. So how to do that I will teach you exactly. Now for this we need two things. Now I am not going to teach you how to build this from scratch, but I will definitely show you step by step what nodes to use, what code to execute. So let's start. For now we will select a trigger. From here it is like selecting manually. You can go here and select a trigger, add another trigger, and you can see a trigger manually. And when you will be using this for your use, you are going to use on schedule so that you can schedule it whenever you need. After that you need a get row. A get row is a function where it will fetch the data on your sheet. So let's come on to our sheet. So for the database we are using this. So in this I have created two sheets. I have named this as YouTube database, and here you need to add the channel IDs. Now what is this channel ID? Now let's say I came to a YouTube channel. Okay, let's come on this. Now this guy is actually good in YouTube AI automation and everything. So all I need to do is I need to go into this. I need to share his channel first of all. So where it is? Okay, it is sharing the stats. Okay, from here we need to go share channel and you can copy channel ID and come in here and you need to paste it. Now I have pasted this. You need to move it on the top because it makes him the first priority on your search trend. Now copy this. You have copied this ID, and on the second sheet you need to create a sheet called as main where all the data will be dumped. You need to just map out the field. It is ID, publish ID, multiple title tags. You need to map it out according to you, and it will fetch all the data and put it here. Now if you talk about the second one, it is just a filter out version of what you are getting on this channel. Based on the channel ID, this sheet is dedicated to each of the channel. So what we are going to do here is, let's create another sheet, and here we are going to name it this, the channel ID of that guy, and let's bring it to the first. And here we need something else, that is we need to copy this code. Copy the code, or we can say the entire thing, because it contains all the header and everything. Just come in here, select this and paste here. Now it will fetch the data. All you need to do here is just double click. Now if we talk about this formula, you can just use ChatGPT and ask him to connect the main sheet to this sheet, and it will give you the formula. Basically it is linked to the sheet link, and then we have main column A to R. It has column A to R, that is, and here we have select star from, where column number 16 is channel ID. We have selected the channel ID, that is P, and then equals to, we need to paste our ID here. So here we are going to do where it is. Okay, here it is. Just paste it, hit enter. Now everything is blank because we haven't fetched anything. Now let's come back to this content flow and let's do this. It is get rows in a sheet. Here you need to connect your Google account. You know how to connect the Google account. If you don't know, I have made another video solving this error. If you are facing any error, then you can watch that and come back here. So here you need to select sheet within the document because we are cutting it, and get rows function. From the list we need to select the sheet name, that is YouTube database, and from that we need to select the list, that is channel. And now that's it. Let's execute this step. Let's see, it should be 6. Now the sixth one is also coming. Let's spin this data and come back. Now here we need YouTube API. You can go on google.cloud.console and you need to build an API for YouTube. How to do that? Just follow the documentation, you will get there. Here what I have did is I connected my Google YouTube credentials, resources, channel playlist. For now it is video, so we will select video. How many? We need to get many videos, so get many videos. We have put the limit of 5. From every channel it is going to fetch at least 5 videos. So 5 is, I think so, more than enough. From here we need to select the channel ID. So from here we need to pick up this channel ID from the sheets, and then you need to order it by dates. So then only you are going to get the latest videos of your competitor. Let's execute it. Let's see what we get. Okay, we are getting 30 items. Let's pin this data and move on. From this, I have added a limiter. Now I have disabled it, but when you are building, just add the limiter so that one data passes every single time. And then you do it for the second time, just increase the limit to 2, then max it to 5 or anything you want. For now, I think so, like it's already it is disabled, so I don't think so we need to do anything here. Now let's come on to the next part, that is get a video. We are going to get a video from that specific ID. So okay, so we need to like just enable it. Let's activate it. Okay, so it is 5 max item. Okay, let's go with I think so 6 is enough. Execute. Let's pin the data. Come back. Here we are going to again you need to get a YouTube video. From here we are going to pick up the video ID. The video ID is here. You need to just drag and drop here. Select the field. It is star. Now let's execute it. You will get the 6 items. Pin the data. Now pinning the data is when you are testing. Test the data, execute one node, then only go on to the one. Now this is a code. You need to get a code block from here. Here we are going to add this code. Now basically what this code does is it filters out the YouTube shorts from the long form videos, because all we need is a long form video, not a short video. So this code actually filters out any videos whose length is almost less than 2 minutes, and it filters out that. Let's execute it. It will filter out everything. Okay, here it is. Just spin the data again. Now here if we open this block, now if you want you can take the screenshot and fetch it to chatgpt and ask him to give you the text version of this, and you can just copy paste the data. All right, now come back here. Now we need another sheet data, that is append or update the sheets. Here connect the data, append or update from the list YouTube database. From here we are going to select the main one. What is the main one? Main one is basically where everything is going to be dumped. Your every data of the sheet is going to be dumped. Come in here, select it, map each column manually. So we need to match the ID. Here it is ID. Here you can just select the JSON ID. Then when it is published, in the title, in the tags, views, likes, comments, favorites, and everything. Everything is here mentioned. You just need to select what you need from here. For the duration and everything is there. And for the thumbnail, you need to select the URL. Make sure that it ends with .jpeg or else you will not get the image. We have channel ID, we have channel title, and the embedded code. Execute it. Perfect, everything is working fine. We have got the data. Let's come back. We need to just unpin all the data and run it once. And for now, I'm disabling the limiter again. Come back here. Let's execute this. And let's see if we get the data for the new channel ID we have added. So 23 items have been filtered. That is almost 7 shorts were there. So let's come back here on the filter data. As you can see, we have got the data. Now you will get this kind of arrangement and everything. You just need to sort out everything, make the view clean and everything. Now we have all the 6 channels and everything. Now basically we are getting the data, we are getting the filter data in each of the channels. These are the channels, we have got all the data. Now let's come on to the second part. In the second part, what we are going to, again I have set a manual trigger. You can set a timer. It can be every day in a week, or every 2 days in a week, or every Sundays of the week. It depends upon you. Now here we are going to get a row. We are going to get the row shared within the data from the YouTube database from the channel list. We need to get the channel IDs, every channel ID. So let's execute it. We have got the 7 IDs. Come back. I will tell you why this loop is here in a second, but first what we need to do here is we need to come back here and here you need to add another row. Get rows from the sheet. Now we are going to target the filtered YouTube data, and here we are going to select get rows in a sheet by name. Okay, let's execute the previous one so that we can get the data. We have got the data. Let's spin the data. Come in here and execute the previous node. Okay, from here we need to select by name. It will be by URL or ID. From here we need to select the thing by name because our sheet is named by the channel ID, which is going to be fetched from the database number 1, and it is actually in the database number 2. So if I talk in simple words, we need to just get this one, paste it. It is going to be fun, and that's it. Let's execute it. We are getting 5 items. Perfect. Let's spin the data and move on. From here we are going to add a filter. Now what this filter is going to do, it is basically going to filter out the videos based on the view. The video that has more number of views, that is going to be passed out only from the filter, other are going to get discarded. Okay, so we are going to select views from here. Now if we see where is the json.views, we need to get the views. Okay, let's find it, or else you can just double curly braces $json.views, you will get them, and you need to select the number, it is greater than, and you need to put this code. Again, I am zooming out. You can just take the screenshot, put in chatgpt, it will give you a text version, and you will get this item. It will give you the number format of the views, and make sure you enable this, convert it where it is required. Once you're done, let's execute. Okay, it has discarded 3 items and kept 2 items. Pin the data. Let's come back. From here, now when we add the loop, it has done this thing one time for one channel, but we need to do it for all the 6 or 5 channels we have added. So it is going to loop again and again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 until all sheet is covered. Once it is done, it is going to send you an email. Now why this aggregate function is here, because what if it is not there, you are going to get separate emails for separate channel IDs. So if I have 6 IDs, you are going to get 6 emails. So what this aggregate does is it combines everything into one. So here it says all item data into a single list. Select the data, all the fields, and let's execute. Okay, we have got 2 items. Great. Now from here it is going to send you the email. If we talk about the Gmail node, add a Gmail node, click on send. You need to add your email address where you want this. You need to add a subject line, what you want. Email type will not be text, it will be HTML. Now if we talk about this code, I am not very good at coding, but you need to ask ChatGPT to give you a nice stylish format of email, and it will give, and make sure you add that to curly braces and give you the variables where you can just drag and drop your variable where you need. So for this I have just selected the date, the title, the image source, that is my thumbnail, and the channel ID, the duration, the multiple, and the title. Now you will get this for once. Okay, from until here it is 1, that is you can see the video ID, video 1, video 2. So for this it is video 1. You need to copy paste at least 2 to 3 times so that you can get 3 to 4 data in one single email, or else you will get one video only. So make sure you duplicate this code same times, at least 3 times, and you can just get the data. Now come back and let's execute it. And if we come back to our Gmail, I hope we have got a Gmail. Here it is, and it gives you the data. That's it, I think so, for this video. Now let's unpin the data and run this entire flow once. Let's execute. 30 items, 30 items, 23 items. Good. Workflow 1 done. Now come back, hit to this, and workflow number 2. Loop 1, loop 4 item, loop 5 item, loop 6 item, perfect. 14 item, 1 item, perfect. Now let's check our email again. Back. Here it is. We have this Mr. Beast video as well. See how it is working. Now if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.